Well, guys, this is the NAM 3 KM model. Now, if you happen to take a gander down to right here, you will see that Missouri is in a major ice event. We are looking at 0.59 inches, so a half inch of ice all the way up to potentially 0.76 of an inch. And we are right there. That's not good. We're going to get that on top of all the other snow we're going to get. So that means our snow totals are going to be down. They're going to be probably around the 5 to 6, maybe 8 inches compared to the 13, 14 inches I was seeing. And then you're going to have this icing too. Oh, this is going to be a long forecast day, let me tell you. Because the reason why I say that is if we go right over here to this one and we go over here, it's not showing too much there, 3 to 5 inches. But then let's check out this GFS real quick. So you go over to GFS and then you go over here. And this is the GFS model, and you can see how much they are different. The other one was showing 3 to 4 inches of snow with a lot of ice, so roughly about 5 to 6 inches total. This one, on this other scenario, is a very heavy band of snow, and a very heavy band of snow. All this red is very heavy band of snow, and you got pockets up here. This just showing 14. I think it's exaggerating the models a little bit. I do not think we're going to wind up with 13 just because of the sleet and the mixed precipitation. I don't see 13, 14 being even possible remotely close to anything. I can see anywhere from 4 to 8 inches with ice. But then these bands right here, wherever they set up, wherever these little slither of heavy snow sets up, that's going to determine where we're going to get the locally higher amounts. Everybody else, you're not going to really be getting what it was saying on that 20. I knew that was exaggerating. Models always like to overrun and overthink. But you still got these slithers right here. They extend all the way up to Illinois. My other chaser, Nick, he's right around here. And then it slithers back. Now, in between here, I could see that still being like, I could see these two storms kind of merging. But then again, it all depends. A 10-mile difference could mean if you're going to get 14 inches or if you're going to get 9 inches. And then if you go down here, Troy is right here. Troy, Missouri is right here. O'Fallon and Wentzville, you're looking at about in between this area right here. Anywhere from 7 to 10. And as soon as you just start dropping down, as soon as you leave St. Charles County, it just drops to 3 to 4, 5 inches. But that's also just the snow totals. This is not including, I repeat, this is not including the ice totals that are going to be on top of this snow. These are only the snow totals. The ice totals are a whole nother freaking scenario. This is insane. Let's check what the ice totals look like on the GFS. Now the GFS is keeping all the ice in southern Missouri. Once again, Troy, Missouri is right here. Once again, I'm right here. I'm right up at the top of here. So yeah, we're going to wind up with probably a half inch of ice and a lot of snow. Look at these totals on the ice in Missouri. This is crazy. And of course the ice is higher in my location. A little south of my location the ice gets pretty high. But as you get closer to about right here, because I'm right here at the edge of it. So I'm going to probably get like anywhere from 0.36 of an inch to probably ½ inch of ice. Then it's going to extend up to his southern Illinois. Yep. So that's what that's showing now. That's the brand new model runs that just came in. Please stay weather aware and make sure you have your weather radios on, and you're up to date on the weather, because this is a tricky system. This can definitely wobble. So let's see what the 10-to-1 ratio is real quick. 10-to-1 ratio. That has my area being at like let's see, right here 11.5, but if you look right here, look at that, it cuts off. That snow cuts off right here, because, and you know why it's doing that, right here where that mouse is. That's because the storm is having all that mixed precip in it, and when you get that mixed precip, the sleet, the freezing rain, the snow, all that together is going to dramatically make those totals lower. Does not mean the roads are going to be in good condition. It means pretty much the roads are going to be just as bad as if you would have a lot of snow, if not worse, because you can drive on snow. You cannot drive on ice. I repeat, if you are out and about and it's icy, starting Tuesday night into Wednesday, please use extra caution. And if you don't have to travel, honestly, I'm saying it now, I would not travel. I would stay put. Stock up on what you need. Stay put. This is going to be a very tricky forecast. We are going to be monitoring this, and we are going to keep updating this as we go. This is something to keep watching. Stay weather aware. Make sure if you do travel, make sure you put flashlights and extra food and blankets in your vehicle, because it is showing quite a bit of snow right here. But then you go over here and it's showing quite a bit of freezing rain precip. But let's go back up to this the NAM 3. This is what I'm watching. This is what has me on concern. 0.65, 0.68, 0.76. This is my location. This is what I'm getting. Right here. This is exactly what it's showing that it looks like we are going to get. Oh man, this is gonna be nasty, guys. I mean, 0.76 on top of worst case scenario 3 to 5 inches of snow. Because the higher the ice amounts, the lower the total amounts of the snow is gonna be. You get more ice, you get less snow, because that precipitation's falling as a mixture instead of nice, fluffy, white, soft snow that you can drive in.